Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok no videos yet problem or TikTok video not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in TikTok application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search TikTok app. Update your TikTok application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Your mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection is properly connected. Step 5. Again open your TikTok application. Go to profile picture. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok no video yet problem or TikTok video not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.